What would your reaction be if I told you you can paint this entire hydrangea without even using a reference image? I know it seems difficult and I've been there. But now I have a tried and tested method to paint hydrangeas that works always. Hi, I'm Kanchan. I'm an artist, illustrator and an art educator. My art has been used for books, wall art, products and even tattoos. I truly believe that sharing is caring, and that's how my Instagram account @PetiteProcrastinator started, where I share all my tips and tricks as well as my experiments with watercolor and digital art. Soon I started making more in-depth classes on Skillshare. Now I have a strong community of 100,000 on Instagram, and this is my 5th Skillshare class. In this class, we will break down the hydrangea into easy steps. We will first practice how to draw each flower, then we will learn how to paint the first layer and finally go on to add more details. For the class project, we will put all our learnings from the practice lessons to make the entire hydrangea. This class is more than just painting. It is also a fun way to work on your patience, which gets better with practice and stronger when you see a beautiful end result. My method of painting hydrangeas is not only fun but also very relaxing. So grab your paints and brushes and let's get started.